Hey gang, this is David Littlejohn from Littlejohn Financial Services. We are trying something a little new this week. We're going to do a weekly wrap up via video rather than an email or just not getting to it at all. So it is February 3rd. It's a Friday. It's just before 5 p.m. Let me give you the highlights for the week real quickly. First off, the Dow finished at over 20,000. Yay. S&P 500 just shy of the 2,300 level, which is a big deal. A lot of analysts are watching that number. And then the NASDAQ finished at 5,666 and some change. And the change is important because if you're superstitious, right? The big deals for this week that we have been dealing with, mostly politics, right? So it's the Trump administration, obviously a very different regime than the Obama regime. I'm not taking political sides on this one. I'm just telling you that the way that business is being conducted, it's certainly not politics as usual, right? Between Twitter and everything else, we could say politely there's some ruffled feathers out there. There's a lot of uncertainty. The biggie came, the big controversy this week was the immigration ban or suspension or whatever you may want to call it. The question is how much economic impact does it have? It doesn't. So far, it doesn't look like it's going to be significant. So we're watching it, but it hasn't really manifested in significant impact to the stock markets. It's just been a news cycle issue. The other one that may have an impact was it looks like some banking regulations are going to be rolled back. So the Trump administration is looking at the Dodd-Frank regulations. Those came out of the 2008 financial crisis, and they were put in place over a period of years. So it's been an ongoing deal there. That could really change the banking standards. So that may be an economic stimulator. We will see. Another one that's relevant to the financial services industry is the interpretation of the Department of Labor's fiduciary rule, and that is being suspended. That was a rule change that was supposed to take place coming up on April 6th, I believe. So that one is in limbo right now. Bottom line, though, is that the policies still appear to be business friendly. So folks ask me, hey, what do you think about the markets? Look, until the economic indicators break, and they don't look like they are, right? We're seeing increases in jobs. The flip side of that is that wage growth isn't really there. So we're still looking for stimulus, but bottom line so far, look, business still happens. Bottom line so far is that the trend is your friend. So the markets are continuing to migrate higher. We're going to keep watching it for now. If anything changes, we'll get back to you. In the meantime, have a great weekend, and if you're going to watch the Super Bowl, enjoy. I have no favorite team, so go your team. All right, take care, guys.